ASUS just dropped a gold-themed graphics card for the RTX 50 series, and this time it's the RTX 5080 Dhahab Edition. You might have seen the Dhahab name before on the ultra-high-end RTX 5090, but now ASUS is bringing that same luxury feel, and a little more affordability, to the 5080 crowd. But let's be real, this is still collector territory. The Dhahab Edition isn't just flexing with its looks. It's got 6.5 grams of real 999 purity gold built in. That's about $700 worth of precious metal right on your GPU. Yeah, you heard me. This isn't just a graphics card, it's a statement piece for your rig. ASUS is focusing on select markets, especially the Middle East, where luxury tech is seriously on another level. Design-wise, the 5080 Dhahab looks almost identical to the 5090 from the front. The only big giveaway? Check out the backplate and you'll spot the smaller GPU footprint. Under the hood, you're getting 10,752 CUDA cores and 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, so whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating, you're pretty much set for anything. I love the attention to detail here. ASUS added 5 display outputs, 2 HDMI 2.1 and 3 DisplayPort 2.1. Multiple monitors, ultra-wide TV setup, no problem. And if speed's your thing, the 5080 Dhahab is factory overclocked to a 2670 MHz boost, and you can push it to 2790 MHz with OC mode. So yes, you'll crush even the most demanding games right out of the box. Now, the big mystery price. ASUS hasn't revealed it yet, but with all that gold and top-tier hardware, don't expect it to be cheap. That's it for this golden update. If you want more GPU news and deep dives, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.